I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to tell you about a brand new subscription box. It's called Goldie Boxed, and it is a quarterly lifestyle and beauty subscription box. It was created by my friend Jessica, a fellow YouTuber from the channel EverythingProof Beauty. Jessica is quite a bit younger than me, but we have a lot in common. We both care about things like the cruelty-free status of a brand, sustainably sourced ingredients, eco-packaging, and fair trade. And we are both ingredients nerds. We love to research ingredients and then come and talk about those ingredients on our channel. By the way, I have one of my 4 dogs here in the room with me, Brady. I don't know if he'll come and say hi or not, but if you see me reaching out to scratch his belly, that's what's going on here. Right, Boo? Anyway, when I heard that Jessica was starting a subscription box, I was really excited. Jessica has quite a few subscriptions of her own, and she does unboxings on her channel, but she doesn't just show us what she got in her boxes. She talks about the ingredients in the products. She talks about the value of the box based on what the brand says versus what the value of the box is for her. And she talks about the pros and cons of each box. So I knew when she created her own subscription box that she would put all of that thought and consideration into her own box. Then when I started seeing some of her spoilers and hearing her talk about the customization plan for her box, I really got excited. Come here, Boo. Let's say hi. This is Brady. Yeah, this is Brady. He's one of my 4 dogs. He's my oldest dog, and he is my biggest dog. He weighs 30 pounds, and he is a love muffin, aren't you? Yeah, we call him the kissing bandit. Maybe you can see why. And he loves everybody. Don't you, Boo? He's 11 years old, but he has Peter Pan syndrome. He thinks he's still a puppy. Don't you, baby? Yeah, I'm glad you came to say hi. Back to Jessica's box. With most customization plans on boxes, you have tiers. You get to choose one option from 2 or 3 products. Then you have another tier where you get to choose another product from 2 or 3 products. And this has always kind of irritated me because sometimes I want a couple of different things from the same tier, but you can't do that. Or sometimes I don't want anything from one of the tiers, but you have to choose something. And with Jessica's box, you can choose from all of the customizations. I think there were 16 for this box. So if you have 3 choices, you can pick all 3 of your choices from those 16. Same if you have 5 or 7 choices. And I think that is a great way to do it. One downside is that you could run out of some of the more popular customizations if a lot of people want that one. But she included so many great options. I wasn't worried about that. When I went to make my choices, I had a couple of backups. I did manage to get all of the things I wanted, my first choices, but I did have a couple of backup options, and I would have been really happy with those too if I had gotten those instead. The plans are, there are 4 of them. I made some notes. Let me make sure I refer to those so I don't miss anything. The first one is the Bronze Bear box. With the Bronze Bear box, you get 3 customizations and 1 Bronze Bear bonus item. That one is $29.99 a box. Silver Bear box is the next one. You get 5 customizations with that one. Plus you get the Bronze Bear bonus and a Silver Bear bonus item. That one is $44.99 a box. And then the Gold Bear box. That one has 7 customizations with the Bronze Bear bonus, the Silver Bear bonus, and a Gold Bear bonus included. That one is $59.99 a box. She also has the Surprise Bear box. That one is $21.99 a box, and you get 3 surprise products. Now, I chose the Gold Bear box because there were so many wonderful options. I wanted to get to choose as many as I could. Here's the box. And as I always do when I do my unboxings, I've cut away the tape, but I have not opened the box yet. Oh, this is pretty. Here's the inside. And I love the paper that she chose to wrap. Here is an insert. You could choose with this box not to get a paper insert and to get a text instead with all of the descriptions of what's in the box. I chose to get the paper because I do have a YouTube channel and I use these little booklets to go back later to refer to. I make notes on each product I got and on the box in general so that I can go back later and talk about them as I compare them to other boxes. So this is what the paper looks like. Let me get my glasses so I can actually read to you as I open things. I'm going to tear away this beautiful tissue. Look at this without the inserts on top. Isn't that pretty? I have a couple of things in here that I picked because they would be really handy for my job. This is one of those. This one is from Natural Life / Lively, and the value on this one was $22. This is a statement keychain and no-touch key duo. Here is the keychain. I chose this one. There were two options. This one's Be Happy, and it is even cuter in person than it was on the website. And then here is the little no-touch key. And the way this works is you can hook it around door handles to turn them and open them. It's made for all kinds of different types of door handles, the pull kind, the turn kind, the lever kind. And then on the end here is a little push button for your keypads and for your touch screens. I counted the doors that I have to walk through from the parking garage at work into the operating room. I have to open 7 doors in a hospital. That's just to get into the OR. That's not counting all the doors I have to open throughout the day, going back and forth, in and out of the OR and around the OR. This is going to get a ton of use for me at work. This is another one that I chose for work. This is the Bomblicity. It is a candy scrub and sanitizer wipes set. This one is infused with lotion for dry winter hands. I love that this one has the moisturizing scrub in the little cubes that you use to wash your hands. This is another one I chose for work. And here are the little hand sanitizers that come with it. These are antiseptic towelettes, fresh aloe. I'm going to carry these in my work bag. I wash my hands a lot at work, so obviously I'm not going to use these every time I wash my hands because they would be gone in a day. But I love having these to carry so that if my hands are starting to really get dry from all of the hand washing, I can use these. And then I love having these little hand wipes to grab if I just need to wipe off my hands real quick. Those choices were both for work and I'm happy with both of them. The next thing in here is from Final Straw. This was the first thing I picked because I love using the metal straws. I use them at home all the time, and I take one in the car to work every day with me to drink my smoothie. But I didn't have a straw to carry with me when I go places. This one is really cool because it comes in this little carry case so that you can take it with you wherever you go. And then the straw is collapsible. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I think that is such a cool idea. That one has a value of $24.95, and it's an eco-friendly solution to reduce single-use plastic straw waste. It's reusable, collapsible, and compact. Yeah, we like all of that, don't we, Brady? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Okay, the next thing in this box is... Oh, this was one of my first choices that I've made. I'm very happy about it. It's from the brand Mother and Son. This is a eucalyptus and rosemary all-natural bath salt and foot soak, perfect for sore muscles and feet, and the value is $11.85. I don't know if this was a good idea. I had Brady in here with me, y'all. He's a little rambunctious for the tripod, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, this one, I love a good foot soak, and I love the story about this brand. It is a Mother and Son. They make all of these products themselves. I love supporting small brands, and this one sounds like a fantastic one. The next thing in my box is this. This is the River Birch Maple Cinnamon Clean Burning Natural Hand Poured Candle. Oh my gosh. Jess, when you said that this smelled amazing, you were not kidding. I wish you guys could smell it. Let me read about it for you. River Birch Candles. This one sells for $14. It is a pet safe. That's important to me with 4 dogs. An all natural soy candle in the scent maple cinnamon. I cannot tell you enough how great this smells. Ooh, yeah. Even Brady thinks it smells good. Okay. Next thing in my box. Let's unwrap some of these big guys. Oh, what's this one? I know what this one is. Okay. One of our choices was a set of coasters. These are from Monarch. These are a set of 4 cork-bagged absorbent ceramic coasters with a bold sea turtle or Van Gogh Starry Night print. I chose the bold sea turtle. Didn't I, boo? Yeah, because we love sea turtles. And these colors go with the colors I use here in this room where I film, where I also do my workouts and where I do my makeup. And yeah, we need coasters in here. I'm just going to rip the box apart because that looks like what's going to work best for me. Because I have to show you these. These are so stinking cute. Look at that. Is that not adorable? I love it. I love the colors. I love sea turtles. Who doesn't, right? So that was definitely one of the choices I made for my box. Then there's another big one. Let's see what this one is. This one is from Root Natural. This is the Wildflower Botanical Steam. Oh, this is a facial steam. I loved the thought of this. I'm not really big on masking, but a facial steam I can get behind. Smell, boo. Yeah. Brady loves the scent. Yeah. Oh, no, we can't eat it. We can't eat it. I know it smells good enough to eat, but we can't eat that. Okay, let's see what's next in here. I think I've gotten to the end of my choices. So let's see what the bonus items were. I think they're listed here on the back. Yes. The first one is for the bronze bear and also the silver and gold. Get this one. All About Velour, a coffee scented bath bomb. I love everything coffee scented. I know that Jess does too, so it doesn't surprise me that she included this. Says, see our winter tips for how to use a bath bomb without a bathtub. That may come in handy because we're renovating our bathrooms right now, and so a bath is not always a choice for me. Here we go. How to use a bath bomb without a bathtub. And it has some tips. Use a breathable bag and place it in a drawer or closet as an air freshener. I know exactly where I'm going to put it. I'm going to do that. I have a chest where we have started to store some of our blankets, and my husband had redone the inside and it smells like paint. So I'm going to put this in a little breathable bag and put it in that chest to make everything smell great. But if I had a bathtub, I'd definitely use it as a bath bomb. So got a good use for that one. And then for the silver box from Sugarfina, oh, that had a value of $10, the bath bomb did. From Sugarfina, we got rich dark chocolate maple caramels infused with the flavor of Kentucky bourbon, non-alcoholic. Okay, I am from Kentucky. I love bourbon. When I was growing up, we used to always make bourbon balls at Christmas. So this has a special place in my heart. Thank you, Jess, for including this. I think everyone will enjoy these. Bourbon balls are delicious, but especially to me, this has a special place for me. Yay! Okay, then the last thing in my box was the gold bonus. This is from Base Blue, a set of cosmetic sponges in the original air sponge and my holy grail, the full coverage air sponge, used for seamless makeup application or hands-free application of skincare. I love using facial sponges. Every time I put on face makeup, I use them. Oh, these are really cute too. Look, Brady. No, you can't eat that. That is not for Boo. And there are 2 of them in here. This little one here. I don't know which one's the original and which one is the full coverage one. But I will read up on that and find out. Oh, it says on the package. Let's see. Oh, this is the full coverage one, the little beige one. And then this other one, the pink one, is I guess the original. But I'm very, very happy to try these out. I'm gonna make sure I keep them away from Brady so he doesn't eat them. All right, I knew I was gonna be thrilled with this box, and I am, and I'm so happy to tell you all about it. If this looks like a box you might be interested in, go to the Goldie Boxed website. She's doing an in-between box right now where you can choose a few items from this winter box and get that box if you want to, or you can wait and get the spring box. Either way, she gave me a discount to offer y'all. It's the discount code DOGS, because dogs 10, DOGS 10. I'll also have that down in the description box, and that will get you 10% off your first purchase from Goldie Boxed. Congratulations, Jess. I am so proud of you and so excited for you, and you did the amazing job that I knew you would do. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button. Sorry, dog hair. Down below, and then ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.